Imagine putting $100 into something and years later it's worth thousands. That's what happened to some early Bitcoin investors. But here's the truth most people don't talk about. For every person who made money with Bitcoin, many others lost money. So, what exactly is Bitcoin? Is it the future of money or just a risky gamble? In this video, I'm going to explain Bitcoin in simple terms and show you the good and the bad so you can decide for yourself. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is digital money, but unlike the money in your bank account, Bitcoin is not controlled by a government or a bank. Instead, it runs on a technology called blockchain. Think of blockchain like a public record book. Every Bitcoin transaction is recorded on this public ledger that anyone in the world can see, but no single person controls it. Thousands of computers around the world help verify transactions. This makes Bitcoin decentralized. That means no government can print more of it whenever they want. In fact, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin in existence. That limited supply is one reason many people believe Bitcoin could become very valuable. The good side of Bitcoin. Now let's talk about why people love Bitcoin. 1. Limited supply. Governments can print unlimited money. But Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins. Because of this scarcity, some people call Bitcoin digital gold. No bank required with Bitcoin. You can send money anywhere in the world without a bank. For example, someone in the United States can send Bitcoin to someone in another country within minutes. This can be extremely useful in places where banking systems are unstable. Potential for huge returns. Bitcoin has been one of the best performing assets in history. In 2010, Bitcoin was worth less than 1 cent. At different points in recent years, it has reached tens of thousands of dollars per coin. That kind of growth is why so many investors became interested in cryptocurrency. Inflation protection. Some investors believe Bitcoin protects against inflation. When governments print more money, the value of that money can go down. But because Bitcoin has a limited supply, it cannot be inflated the same way. The bad side of Bitcoin. Now let's talk about the risks. Because Bitcoin is not perfect. 1. Extreme price volatility. Bitcoin prices can change dramatically. It can go up thousands of dollars and then drop just as quickly. This makes it very risky for beginners. No government protection. If someone steals your Bitcoin or you lose access to your crypto wallet, there is no customer support number to call. Your money could be gone forever. Scams and fraud. Because Bitcoin is popular, many scams exist. Fake investment platforms, phishing attacks, and crypto fraud are unfortunately common. This is why beginners must be extremely careful. Or regulation uncertainty. Governments around the world are still deciding how to regulate cryptocurrency. New laws could affect how Bitcoin is used in the future. That uncertainty makes some investors nervous. Should beginners buy Bitcoin? So should beginners invest in Bitcoin? The honest answer is, it depends on your risk tolerance. Many financial experts suggest that if you invest in cryptocurrency, you should only invest money you can afford to lose. Some investors choose to allocate a small percentage of their portfolio to Bitcoin. Others choose to stay away entirely. The key is to educate yourself before investing. Conclusion. So now you know the basics of Bitcoin. It's a revolutionary technology with the potential to change how money works, but it also comes with serious risks. Understanding both the good and the bad is the best way to make smart decisions. And remember, never invest in something you don't understand. Part 2. Thousands of people are buying Bitcoin for the first time every day. But here's the problem. Many beginners make simple mistakes that can cost them thousands of dollars. Some people buy Bitcoin on fake websites. Others lose access to their crypto wallet forever. And some buy at the worst possible time. Step 1. Choose a safe platform. The first step to buying Bitcoin safely is choosing a trusted platform, also called a crypto exchange. Some of the most popular and beginner-friendly exchanges include Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini, Binance in some countries. These platforms allow you to buy Bitcoin using a bank account, debit card, or transfer. When choosing an exchange, look for 3 things: strong security features, 2-factor authentication, a good reputation. Avoid random websites promising guaranteed profits. That's one of the biggest red flags in crypto. Step 2. Start with a small amount. A common mistake beginners make is investing too much too quickly. Bitcoin prices can go up fast, but they can also drop quickly. Instead of investing a large amount all at once, many investors start with a small amount like $50 or $100. This allows you to learn how the market works without risking too much money. A popular strategy is called dollar cost averaging. This means buying small amounts of Bitcoin regularly instead of trying to time the market. Step 3. Protect your Bitcoin. After you buy Bitcoin, security becomes extremely important. When you purchase Bitcoin on an exchange, it is usually stored in a digital wallet on that platform. But many experienced investors move their Bitcoin to a personal crypto wallet. There are 2 main types: hot wallet, a wallet connected to the internet. Easy to use but slightly more vulnerable to hacking. Cold wallet, a hardware wallet that stores Bitcoin offline. Examples include devices like a USB-style crypto wallet. Cold wallets are considered one of the safest ways to store Bitcoin. Part 4. Biggest mistakes beginners make. Now let's talk about the most common Bitcoin mistakes beginners make. Mistake number 1. Falling for scams. If someone promises guaranteed profits with Bitcoin, it's almost always a scam. Crypto investments always involve risk. Mistake number 2. Losing your recovery phrase. When you create a crypto wallet, you receive a recovery phrase. This phrase is the only way to recover your Bitcoin if you lose access to your wallet. If you lose this phrase, your Bitcoin may be gone forever. Mistake number 3, buying during hype. Many beginners buy Bitcoin after seeing headlines like "Bitcoin is skyrocketing." Unfortunately, this is often when prices are already very high. Smart investors try to stay calm and avoid emotional decisions. Mistake number 4, not doing research. Crypto is a fast-changing industry. Before investing in anything, always take time to learn and understand what you're buying. Part 5, Smart Beginner Strategy. For beginners, a simple strategy is: start small, use trusted exchanges, protect your wallet, invest slowly over time. This approach reduces risk while allowing you to learn. Bitcoin is one of the most talked about financial innovations in the world. But the key to success is education and patience. The more you understand how it works, the safer your investments can be. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.